Welcome to English Story Hub.
Practice daily English speaking.
Today, asking for directions in English.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Let us begin. Good morning.
Good morning.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I am new in this area.
Oh, I see.
I am looking for the bus station.
The bus station?
Yes.
Do you want to go by bus?
Yes, I do.
Where are you going?
I am going to the city center.
Okay.
Is the bus station far from here?
No, it is not far.
That is good.
It is easy to find.
Can you tell me the way, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. First, go straight.
Go straight?
Yes, go straight for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes. You will see a big traffic light.
A big traffic light?
Yes.
Okay.
When you reach the traffic light, turn left.
Turn left.
Yes. Walk for 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes.
Yes. You will see a small park.
A small park.
Yes, the bus station is near the park.
Near the park.
That is right.
Thank you.
No problem.
I hope I do not get lost.
Do not worry. It is very easy.
Okay.
If you are not sure, you can ask again.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Asking for directions, Part 2.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I am sorry to ask again.
That is okay.
I think I am confused.
No problem.
I walked straight, but I am not sure now.
Where are you now?
I am near a small shop.
Is there a traffic light near you?
Yes, there is a traffic light.
Okay.
I see cars and many people.
That sounds right.
Should I turn left or right here?
Turn left.
Turn left now?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light.
Okay, I will turn left.
Good.
After I turn left, what should I do?
Walk straight for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes.
Will I see the park again?
Yes, you will see the small park.
The park with many trees?
Yes, that one.
Okay.
The bus station is next to the park.
Next to the park.
Yes.
On the right side?
Yes, on the right side.
I understand now.
Good.
Thank you for explaining again.
You are welcome.
I was worried.
Do not worry.
I am not good with directions.
Many people are the same.
That makes me feel better.
Just walk slowly and look around.
Okay.
You will find it easily.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all. Asking for directions, Part 3.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for the bus station.
The bus station near the park?
Yes, near the small park.
You are very close.
Really?
Yes.
I just want to make sure.
That is fine.
Am I going the right way?
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
Do you want to take the bus now?
Yes, I do.
Which bus do you need?
I need to go to the city center.
You can take bus number 10.
Bus number 10.
Yes.
Does it stop here?
Yes, it stops at the bus station.
How often does the bus come?
Every 10 minutes.
That is good.
The next bus will come soon.
How long do I wait?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes.
Is this the correct side of the road?
Yes, wait on this side.
Thank you for checking.
No problem.
I do not want to miss the bus.
Do not worry.
I feel better now.
Good.
So I just wait here.
Yes, wait here.
And take bus number 10.
That is right.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Asking for directions, Part 4.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Is this bus number 10?
Yes, it is.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
That is good.
Please get on the bus.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
How much is the ticket?
The ticket is $2.
$2.
Yes.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Do I need a ticket?
Yes, please take your ticket.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
How long is the ride?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes.
When should I get off the bus?
Get off at the main square.
The main square.
Yes.
Is it easy to see?
Yes, I will tell you.
Thank you.
Please listen for the stop.
Okay.
I will say the name.
That helps a lot.
Do not worry.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Asking for directions, Part 5. Next stop, City Center.
Is this the city center?
Yes, this is the city center.
Thank you. I will get off here.
Okay, please be careful.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I am new here.
That is okay.
I want to go to the bank.
Which bank?
The main bank in the city center.
I see.
Is it far from here?
No, it is not far.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk.
How long does it take?
About 5 to 7 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Yes, it is very easy.
I am afraid of getting lost again.
Do not worry.
Can you tell me one more time?
Of course.
Thank you.
Walk straight from here.
Walk straight.
Then turn right at the first street.
Turn right at the first street.
The bank is on the left side.
On the left side.
Yes. You will see a big building.
A big building.
That is the bank.
Okay. I understand now.
Good.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem.
I am practicing my English.
You are doing well.
I asked many questions today.
That is how you learn.
I feel more confident now.
Keep practicing every day.
I will.
Have a nice day.
You too.